The pros and cons of chrome tapware fittings for your bathroom and kitchen. Dear friends, chrome tapware is one of the most popular finishes, and for good reason. It is highly durable, easy to clean, and resistant to corrosion and rust. Chrome has a shiny, polished appearance that can complement a wide range of styles and designs. The manufacturing process for chrome tapware involves plating a layer of chromium onto a base material such as brass or stainless steel. The base material is first cleaned and then immersed in a solution of chromium salts. An electrical current is applied, which causes the chromium ions in the solution to be attracted to the base material, forming a layer of chromium on its surface. The resulting finish is highly durable and resistant to corrosion and rust. Pros of chrome tapware: highly durable and long-lasting, easy to clean and maintain, resistant to corrosion and rust, versatile and can complement a wide range of styles and designs. Cons of chrome tapware: shows water spots and fingerprints easily, can scratch or chip over time. It can be more expensive than other finishes. How to care: clean regularly with mild detergent and warm water. Avoid using abrasive or harsh chemicals that can scratch the surface. Rinse thoroughly after cleaning to prevent water spots. Dry the tapware with a soft cloth to prevent water spots and stains. Avoid using acidic cleaners, as they can damage the finish. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.